Hello children, about area of triangle. So to discuss about area of triangle, let us just draw a parallelogram named as P, Q, R and S. So we know that area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. Now let us draw SQ, which is diagonal of the parallelogram. So after drawing SQ, we can see that the entire parallelogram is being divided into two triangles, triangle PQS and triangle QRS. So as the parallelogram got divided into two triangles, its area also gets divided into two parts. So the area of parallelogram is base into height. So it gets divided into two parts, so that area of each triangle will become half into base into height. Area of parallelogram is base into height. As it is being divided by two, area of the triangle is, each triangle is half into base into height. So the area of triangle PQS is half into base into height, and there is one more triangle QRS. So area of triangle QRS is also equal to half into base into height. So from this we can tell that area of triangle is half into base into height, where base is one of the side and height is the line segment that forms right angle with the base. So now let us discuss about different kinds of triangles. What is the base and height of different kinds of triangle, like acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle and right angled triangle. So let us take an acute angled triangle. So any of that can be the base. So what is the height? Where does the height lie? So I am taking the down one as the base. So therefore the height is the line segment that forms right angle with the base. So this is the height. And let us take a right angled triangle. So this is a right angled triangle. This is one of the side, blue color one, and green color one is also one of the side. There is a special property for right angle triangle. The two legs, we call those two as the two legs of the right angle triangle. They meet at a right angle. The two legs of a right angle triangle meet at a right angled triangle. So therefore this side either can be the height or the base. Why? Because height is the line segment that forms right angle with the base. So as it is, these two sides intersect at right angle. So either of them can be the base or the height. So this blue color one can be the base or the height, or this green color one may be the height or the base. So this is a right angle triangle. Let us see an obtuse angled triangle. This is an obtuse angled triangle. So what is the height for this? So we are going to extend one side of that triangle, that is called as the base. So a line segment which forms a right angle with the base is height. So where can we draw the height? So we can draw the height in this way. So therefore it forms right angle with the base. So therefore that is called as the height, as it is intersecting the base at right angle. So from these three figures we can see that in an obtuse angled triangle, height lies exterior of the triangle, and in an acute angled triangle, height lies inside the triangle, and in a right angled triangle, any of the two legs can be the base or the height. Let us see an example for finding the area of triangle. So this is the first one. Find the area of the below triangle, triangle ABC. The length of BC is 10 centimeters, and from A we have drawn a line segment onto BC, so that is called as the height, which is 5 centimeters. So we know that area of the triangle is equal to half into base into height. So here 10 centimeters is the base and 5 centimeters is the height. So therefore area is equal to half into 10 into 5, which is 50 by 2, 25 centimeter square. The unit of area is a two-dimensional quantity. So the unit of area here, as both the measurements are in centimeters, the unit is centimeter square. And let us see one more example, area of the below triangle, and it's an obtuse angled triangle. So one side we have to extend, and that the base is given, so that is considered to be as the base, and this dotted line is 6 centimeters, which is the height, because base and height both intersect at right angles. So we know that area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. So 12 centimeters is the base and 6 centimeters is the height. So area is equal to half into 12 into 6, which is 72 by 2. 12 into 6 is 72. 72 by 2, which is equal to 36 centimeter square. So the area of this triangle is 36 centimeter square. Thank you.